Welcome to a quick, unconventional way to clear mindset blocks. So, I'm going to give you two things to do to really help get that block flowing and moving. And to be quite honest with you, blocks are something that I don't use as a label, just maybe that feeling of stuckness, right? So, maybe say you are stuck in thinking about what to post in social media. Let's just give that as or use that an example. You're like, I really want to post something, but I don't know what to do. And so you're going to take that block. Okay, you're going to take that block, and you are going to do two things. When we feel stuck, that means that we are inert, right? Like even maybe our thoughts, we have a hard time moving past it. And so when it feels like we're stagnant and stuck, what will help us is actually move. So we get to utilize two very important things here. Number one, actual motion and using our body, and two, the power of questioning. And so, what you want to do is you want to take that block. You can either just talk about it out loud, or if you want to write it down on a sticky note or whatever, you can do either way. So, say for example, the block is posting on social media. So, you want to write that down. And what you want to do is going to take that block, and you're going to ask questions about that block while moving your body. And so this can be something as simple as standing up and bouncing up and down, and then asking yourself questions, or just pacing back and forth in your room as you are either, if you're more of a verbal processor, asking your questions out loud. Okay, what do I want to post today? Is there a list that I already have to ensure that I have a topic to post? Do I have a plan already? What's that plan? What is something that I truly want to say today? What is the message that I want to say today? Just asking yourself that question as you walk around. What this does is that movement is going to get your blood flowing, which is very important for your body and your brain. And once that happens, that gets everything flowing, and you go from stuck to actually having some motion again, which then will help you to unblock that feeling of stuckness, right? So that is in the movement part. And also asking yourself questions allows for what? Answers to come up, right? So instead of just going, oh my God, I can't post today, I don't want to post today, ask yourself questions with regards to that. Not only are you going to unstuck yourself and find your own solution, you can help yourself to problem solve and stay instead of staying in procrastination mode. So try this, a very, very powerful exercise. It's very easy. You can unblock yourself within just a few minutes by doing this, and then let me know how that goes for you.